Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove the door panel from the Volkswagen Tayron 2026. First, what you need to do is to remove this cap here. You have to be really carefully. Here we have a T30 Torx. Now put your plastic removal tool simply underneath this plastic trim and push it out. It will come out really easily. Now right here you have a T25 Torx. Next step is to remove this cap. Sorry because you can't see that much in this frame because of my arm, but put your plastic removal tool underneath the plastic trim and just push it out. It will pop up a little bit harder, but it's okay. Like this. Here we have another T25. Now we need a 10mm key to open this cap here. And now what we have to do is just to remove the clips. And now we just remove it. Thank you very much and see you in next video.